Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will discuss the important fact of PD for month March 2022. This video is only for the English medium student. अगर आप हिंदी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो सेम आपको मार्च की पीडी हिंदी में भी मिल जाएगी. उसके इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट जो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नीचे लिंक दिए उसके थ्रू भी जा सकते हैं. इफ़ यू आर द एस्पिरेंट ऑफ MP एग्ज़ाम, MPPSC एंड व्यापम, तो घटना चक्र के भी मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट कुछ डिस्कस किए हैं मार्च 2022 के, उसकी भी आपको लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. सो विथआउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम वी स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो. फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट, अमर जवान ज्योति विच हैज़ बीन बर्निंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 50 years was merged into which ज्योति ऑन जनवरी 21 2022. कर लेना इसको, नेशनल वार मेमोरियल ज्योति. ठीक है, इट इज बर्निंग एट द इंडिया गेट, न्यू दिल्ली, इन द मेमोरी ऑफ द मार्टियर्स ऑफ 1971 इंडो पाकिस्तानी वॉर. ठीक है, वॉज मर्ज विद न्यूली कंस्ट्रक्टेड नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल ज्योति. रिमेंबर इट. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट इज द फर्स्ट वुमेन चेयरपर्सन. रिमेंबर, द फर्स्ट वुमेन chairperson of ONGC has been appointed in January 2022. The name is Alka Mittal. Okay. ONGC is a public sector Maharatna company. Alka Mittal has been appointed as a chairperson. First time a woman will hold this post. Next important fact is which Indian player have been included in the team of the year 2021? Two female players, Mithali Raj and Jhulan Goswami. Mithali Raj is a batsman and Jhulan Goswami is a bowler. It is a dream team of ICC ODI cricket. Next important fact is what form did Narendra Modi announce to celebrate January 16, 2022? Very important. National Startup Day. Also remember, it is a very important, National Startup Day was announced on 15th August 2015. Remember this date. Remember the date and also the year. Which Indian player was honored with the Best Female Player of the Year 2021 at the ICC Award announced on 2022? The name is Smriti Mandhana. Okay, she will got the Rochelle Hohai Flint Award. It is a very tough name, Rochelle Hohai Flint Award. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the ISRO? ISRO, the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. The name is S. Somnath. Who is S. Somnath? Before that, he was Bikram Sarabhai Center Director, and now he will take over the charge of ISRO. In this post, K. Sivan term was over. He was a very famous personality. Along with the post of ISRO, he will also hold the post as a Secretary of Space Science, Government of India. Next important fact is former RBI governor, the name is Urjit Patel, has been appointed as the vice chairperson of which Beijing based institution in January 2022, and the name is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB. Remember the 3-4 fact related to this. What is AIIB? It is a business bank, and the head office of this bank is in Beijing, China. The full form of this bank is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, and it is established on 16 January 2016. Which famous Buddhist monk of Vietnam passed away at the age of 95 on January 2022? The name is Father of Mindfulness. His actual name is Thich Nhat Hanh. It is very difficult name. Okay, he is died on January 2022. He was deported from Vietnam in 1916 for opposing the Vietnam War. Next important fact is an island in the sea near which nation of Oceania. A volcano erupted in January with more than 500 ton of megawatt power, and the name is Tonga. Where it is situated? It is situated in the peninsula of South Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next fact: who won the women's single title in the Syed Modi India International Badminton Competition 2022? The name is PV Sindhu. If sports is the topic of your exam, then also remember that Syed Modi India International competition is related to badminton. PV Sindhu is a Olympic medalist, and she defeated Malvika Basod. Next important fact: who received the Cricketer of the Year award announced on January 24, 2022? Name is Shaheen Afridi. He is a Pakistani fast bowler. He will got the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy. Next important fact: which person of Nicaragua assumed the presidency for the fourth time on January 10, 2022? Daniel Ortega. He has been president of Nicaragua since 2007 and he is related to Marxist-Leninist, and the name of his party is FSLN. Also remember, America never supported Ortega and his allies. Where it is situated? It is situated in Central America between a Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. The population is 65,45,000, not much. Capital city is Managua. Next, very important, Indonesia decided to relocate the capital, Jakarta, in 2022. What is the name of the new capital? Nusantara. The Parliament of Indonesia has passed this bill. Now the capital will shift from Jakarta to Borneo Island, and Nusantara is located on Borneo Island. Next important fact is, where is the ICC Women Cricket World Cup 2020 proposed to be held? New Zealand. Okay. This is the 12th time and it will be held from 4th March to 3rd April 2022. Next important fact: which number 1 tennis player from Serbia was cancelled, spelling mistake, before playing to play the Australian Open? The name is Novak Djokovic. Very famous personality. He was revoked on arrival in Australia for not being vaccinated against coronavirus. He had to go back to his country after the Australian did not allow him to play the tournament, and he lost without playing. Next important fact: which nation is conducting test in January 2022 despite the United Nations sanction on testing ballistic missile? You know the name, North Korea, and you also know this person, Kim Jong. North Korean dictator Kim Jong tested 4 ballistic missiles. Next important fact: who has become the new chairperson of the Indian Railway Board from January 1, 2022? Binay Kumar Tripathi. Next important fact: which film was awarded the best film in the best motion picture drama category at the Golden Globe Award? The name is The Power of the Dog. Golden Globe Award. It is a very famous award, and the first Indian who got this award, the name is A.R. Rahman. It is started from 1944. Next important fact: Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced to celebrate 26 December every year. In what form? Veer Children Divas. We can also say Veer Bal Divas. Okay. What happened on this day? It will be celebrated on every year 26 January to remember and pay homage to the martyrdom of the sons of 10th Guru of Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh. This is the important fact which I choose for you, and I hope you will like the video. If you like, subscribe and like my channel. अगर आप हिंदी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आप सेम वीडियो आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हिंदी में भी PDF देख सकते हैं। इफ़ यू आर द एस्पिरेंट ऑफ MP एग्ज़ाम, तो घटना चक्र के भी वीडियो मैंने इसमें बनाए हैं। ठीक है, वीडियो बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है, तो जाते जाते एक लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर जाएं। मिलता हूं बहुत जल्दी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।